The Research Institute for Health Science is an agency for promoting research in the health sciences. We provide research grants and support academic publications. The services vary from testing and analysis services with advanced scientific instruments, laboratory services, and service for research standards. In response to the university policy, one of our key missions is in preparing the university to reach the world rankings by promoting academic publications. With no doubt, we support our university staff and instructors to apply for individual research grants. Those who wish to apply for individual research grants can check the eligibility of the scholarship through this website or this QR code. A procedure for submitting individual research grant for personnel in health science. Step 1. Research proposal submission. The applicant requesting a scholarship writes up a project proposal following the specified research proposal form and submit an original hard copy of the document to the Research Institute for Health Science, as well as sending e-files in the DOME system. Step 2. Scholarship recipient eligibility. The Research Institute for Health Science examines the research project proposals, scholarship recipient eligibility, and budget, according to the internal capital announcement currently in use. Step 3. Consideration for grant approval. The committee inspects the project proposal and make a decision on allowance. The Board of Committee is chaired by the Vice President for Research and Community Services. Scholarship applicants must orally present the research proposal to the Committee of Research Specialists, namely the Vice President for Research in Health Science, the Director of the Research Institute for Health Science, and a Head of Research Institute from a school in Health Sciences. Step 4. Scholarship contract and disbursement of research funding. After the scholarship is approved and the scholarship recipient has revised the research proposal according to the express recommendations, the Research Institute for Health Science will prepare a scholarship agreement contract and send it to the grantee to sign. The research fund payment is divided into two installments, 50% once the agreement contract has been signed, another 50% when the project has made 50% progress, or after the research duration of 6 months. Step 5. Monitoring the implementation of the research. The scholarship recipient is required to report their progress every 3 months. Until the end of the project, one must submit a 6-month progress report or when over 50% of progress has been made. Step 6. Capital closing and publication. Upon completing the 12-month contract, the scholarship grantee is required to close the research project by submitting the following documents. 1. An individual capital research project closure form. 2. A summary of project expenses. 3. A research manuscript. 4. An evidence of manuscript submission to a journal for publication. 5. A research brief. 6. A publication in an international database is expected within 12 months after the contract ends. Step 7. Requesting an extension of the capital closure time. If the research hasn't been completed on time, the scholarship recipient can request an extension. For a project, only a maximum of 2 extensions is allowed, with no more than 3 months each. Should there be a need for extension, the grantee must submit the following documents. 1. A memorandum requesting a project extension. 2. The project budget summary report. 3. A brief of research results. 4. A research manuscript. 5. Research action plan during the extended time. The details of submission process for individual research grants are meant to be a guidelines for research grant applicants from School of Health Science. For further information, please feel free to contact Ms. Sudarat Changrong.